This tip of the day, let's use flow machining to apply toolpath to multiple faces on a solid model. To do this, let's head over to the Command Manager, select Model Toolpaths, and from there, select Flow Machining. At this point, we're going to take our cursor and simply left-click the faces that we'd like to machine. When we're finished, we can right-hand mouse click. Now it's time to select an edge. This edge is going to determine the direction of cut on those selected faces. After we've selected the edge, we can right-hand mouse click. For this example, we're going to be using turret position number 1. I'm happy with the overall length and the diameter at 10 millimeters. Let's click next on that. Our clearance values look great. Our step over looks good at 1 millimeter. Let's click Finish and let OneCNC generate the toolpath. If you take a look now, OneCNC has generated toolpath with an even step over throughout the entirety of all the faces we selected. Alright, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.